Hey everyone, and welcome to the Making Money Barrister. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some serious cash, even if you hate writing. Imagine waking up to a stream of income notifications on your phone, all while you're still in bed. That's the beauty of passive income. It allows you to earn money without constant effort. It's about creating something once and getting paid repeatedly. Whether it's a digital product, an online course, or even a book, the possibilities are endless. And guess what? You don't need to be a celebrity entrepreneur to do it. Everyday people like you and me are making it happen. One of the hottest ways to generate passive income is by selling low-content books online. These are books that require minimal effort to create but can yield significant returns. Yes, you heard that right. No need to write the next great American novel. Low-content books like journals, planners, and sketchbooks are in high demand. Low-content books are your ticket to financial freedom. They are easy to create and can be sold on platforms like Amazon. Imagine waking up to commission notifications, all while you're still in your pajamas. It's a dream come true for many. That's the power of passive income, and low-content books are your secret weapon. They offer a simple yet effective way to build a steady income stream. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building sustainable income streams. With consistent effort, your earnings can grow over time. Low-content books offer a low-barrier entry point for anyone with an entrepreneurial spirit. You don't need a lot of money or experience to get started. Let's dive in and explore how you can tap into this lucrative market and start generating passive income today. The journey to financial freedom begins now. So what exactly are low-content books? You might be wondering what sets them apart from traditional books. Think journals, planners, coloring books, even recipe books, essentially books with minimal or no text. These books focus more on the user's interaction rather than lengthy narratives. They're simple to create and even easier to sell online. With the rise of self-publishing platforms, anyone can become an author without needing a traditional publisher. Imagine a beautifully designed journal with prompts for daily gratitude. These prompts can help users reflect on their day and cultivate a positive mindset. Or a coloring book filled with intricate mandalas just waiting to be brought to life. Coloring can be a therapeutic activity, providing relaxation and stress relief. These are prime examples of low-content books. They offer a unique blend of creativity and functionality. The beauty of low-content books lies in their simplicity. They don't overwhelm the user with information, making them accessible to a wide audience. You don't need to be a wordsmith or a design guru to create them. Basic design skills and a good idea are all you need to get started. With a little creativity and the right tools, anyone can do it. There are numerous resources and templates available online to help you along the way. In the following sections, we'll uncover the secrets to creating high-quality, low-content books that are guaranteed to fly off the virtual shelves. From design tips to marketing strategies, we've got you covered. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur. The world of low-content books is waiting for you to make your mark. Why are low-content books so popular? Because everyone loves something they can personalize. Journals for self-discovery, planners for organization, coloring books for stress relief, the possibilities are endless. Think about it. People are constantly searching for ways to improve themselves, express their creativity, and stay organized. Low-content books provide the perfect outlet for these desires. The best part? The demand for low-content books is consistently high. Platforms like Amazon see millions of these books sold each year, and the market shows no signs of slowing down. This means there's a massive opportunity for you to tap into this lucrative niche and start generating passive income. Creating low-content books is easier than you think, especially with tools like BookBolt. BookBolt is a game changer. It provides you with pre-designed templates, making the creation process a breeze. No need for expensive software or design skills. BookBolt empowers you to create professional-looking books in minutes. Just choose a template, customize it to your liking, and you're good to go. But it gets even better. BookBolt also provides valuable insights into trending niches, helping you create books that are in high demand. With BookBolt, you're not just creating books, you're building a passive income stream. It's the ultimate tool for turning your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Section 5. Amazon KDP, your gateway to selling low-content books. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is your one-stop shop for selling your low-content masterpieces. Whether you're creating journals, planners, or coloring books, Amazon KDP provides a seamless platform to bring your ideas to life. This platform lets you upload your books, set your prices, and reach millions of potential customers worldwide. With just a few clicks, your book can be available to a global audience, expanding your reach far beyond your local market. It's free to sign up, and Amazon handles all the printing and shipping, making it incredibly easy to manage. You don't have to worry about inventory or logistics. Amazon takes care of everything for you. You'll earn royalties on every sale, creating a steady stream of passive income. The more books you sell, the more you earn, and the potential for income growth is limitless. But here's the best part. Once your book is live on Amazon, it's available for purchase 24/7. Your book can be bought at any time from anywhere in the world, even while you're sleeping. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or even just enjoy your morning coffee. This is the ultimate form of passive income, allowing you to earn money without constant effort. That's the power of Amazon KDP. It empowers you to turn your creative ideas into a profitable business. With Amazon KDP, you're not just selling books. You're building a global business from the comfort of your own home. You have the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time, and reach customers all over the world. Section 6. Keywords, unlocking discoverability and driving sales. Think of keywords as the secret sauce to getting your book seen on Amazon. When someone types gratitude journal or mandala coloring book into the search bar, you want your book to pop up. That's where keyword research comes in. BookBolt provides powerful tools to help you identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your niche. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your book's title, description, and even the content itself, you'll increase your book's visibility and attract more potential buyers. Remember, the more eyes on your book, the more sales you'll make. So, master the art of keywords and watch your passive income soar. Section 7. Pricing and promotion. Strategies for maximizing your earnings. Pricing your low-content books strategically is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Research your competition, consider your production costs, and find a sweet spot that entices buyers while ensuring profitability. But pricing is just one piece of the puzzle. Promotion is key to driving traffic and boosting sales. Utilize social media, run targeted ads, and consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new customers. Engage with your audience, build a community around your brand, and offer exceptional customer service. Word-of-mouth marketing is powerful, and positive reviews can significantly impact your sales. Remember, creating amazing low-content books is just the beginning. Implement effective pricing and promotion strategies to unlock your full earning potential. Conclusion. The world of low-content books presents an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to generate passive income. With minimal investment and the right tools like BookBolt and Amazon KDP, you can turn your creativity into a profitable online business. Remember, success in this industry requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the journey, stay informed about industry trends, and never stop experimenting with new ideas. The potential for passive income is limitless. Start building your low-content book empire today and unlock the financial freedom you deserve.